Good afternoon. This is Victoria from Blue Hand Arts. In our website, we carried one of the things is we call magic cloth. It's for practicing. Magic is to use just clean water, and then it disappeared, dried, get in air in a couple of minutes. And but we got this in package. It's kind of folded and from manufacturing from this plastic bag. The total area is like that 2 times when you opened, but it's computer size about when it folded. So when you open it, some people do not like this bumper here. Actually, it's from manufacturing, and for practicing, it's like the exercise book. When you open, you can use this side and that side for practice stroke, bamboo leaves, or plum blossom, like petals to circle it, and then or the orchid leaves like that vertically. And then you use this side, and it's dried, right? But still, if you do not want this bumper, and you can iron it before we described. You can wash it, but some people actually probably got misunderstood. Wash, because both of this function with both sides, some paints, some chemical things, and you can only get some spray, get moisture on this side, and iron it. Otherwise, you do not wash the whole thing. Okay. Otherwise, very easy to destroy the paints, because like kind of black things inside. That's why it get wet. It shows like ink-like things with black, and when dry, it disappeared. So you lightly like spray, like you iron a shirt, right? You like, yeah, get some moisture here, and better you put the cover. I got parchment paper here, and then you iron on it for protection, because these metal things might destroy the paints. So while you flatten the bumper and there is a trace there, the less the better, right? Do not want metal things directly on it. Like you iron the shirt. Yeah, it will disappear. When I cover it, it will get slower. Kind of cannot control the sprayer. So we just concentrate on this line, okay? Then we check. Other parts will disappear, the wet spots. Okay, can see now the line is still kind of there, but no bumper. And if you want the longer stroke to practice across this half to this half, still you can do that. So, see this part won't be. So you can do practice, or just practice things this side, or you wait to dry and you practice this side. It doesn't matter at all. See this flattened no bumper here. You can practice things, and still kind of more or less line looking here, as I said, as your book when you open it, and it's like the exercise book, the notebook. When you open it, you can use two sides, both sides, but with kind of the line there. So it's for practicing, and we got manufacturing is folded easier for packing computer size. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.